Most cars don't die from age. They're killed by bad habits. Engines overheat, gaskets fail, transmissions slip, all because of things drivers do without even realizing it. But a few smart routines can flip the story completely. Some cars barely make 100,000 miles, while others roar past 700,000 and keep going strong. The secret isn't luck, it's discipline, consistency, and the right habits. So stick around, because these 15 simple habits might be the reason your car outlives your expectations. Number 15. Regular oil changes. One of the simplest habits that can drastically extend your car's life is changing the oil on time. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and carries away heat and debris. Skipping or delaying oil changes leads to sludge buildup, overheating, and eventually engine failure. I always followed the manufacturer's recommended schedule, sometimes even changing a little earlier. This small habit kept the engine running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles, and it connects directly to the next habit. Because keeping your fluids in check doesn't stop at oil, it affects all your vehicle's systems. And once you start taking care of your oil, you naturally notice other vital fluids that need attention. Which brings us to the next habit. Number 14. Fluid balance. Your car runs on more than just oil. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and even power steering fluid are the unsung heroes that keep everything moving smoothly. When any of these get low or old, problems start creeping in. Overheating, weak brakes, slipping gears, you name it. I learned that early on and made checking them a simple monthly routine. It doesn't take long, but it saves you from big repair bills later. Keeping those fluids fresh isn't fancy maintenance. It's smart care that keeps your car healthy for years. Fluids are one thing, but ignoring warning signs can undo all that care. Number 13. Warning lights. Those little dashboard lights aren't just for show. They're your car's way of signaling that something's wrong. Most people ignore the check engine, oil, or battery light until the damage is done. And that's when small issues turn into expensive repairs. I made it a rule to never overlook them. Whenever a light appeared, I checked it right away. Sometimes it was just a low fluid, other times a worn-out sensor. Catching those early saved me countless breakdowns and helped my car stay reliable for hundreds of thousands of miles. Ignoring the signs always costs more later. And here's a tip. The way you drive can either multiply the problem or keep your car healthy for longer. Number 12. Controlled driving. How you drive decides how long your car lasts. Rapid starts, hard braking, and pushing high RPMs might feel exciting, but they wear down the engine, transmission, and brakes faster than you think. Smooth driving isn't just about comfort, it's about keeping the car young. Gradual acceleration, steady cruising, and paying attention to what's ahead all take pressure off the mechanics. Over time, this one habit will save you fuel, keep the ride smoother, and cut repair costs. Driving smart doesn't cost anything extra, yet it's one of the biggest reasons why your car will stay strong for years. Interestingly, smooth driving also reduces strain on tires and suspension, which leads us to the next critical habit. Number 11. Tire care. Tires are the only part of your car that actually touch the road, so how you care for them matters more than most people realize. I made it a habit to check air pressure regularly and rotate them every few thousand miles. Keeping them properly inflated prevents uneven wear, improves handling, and protects the suspension from extra stress. And don't forget to watch for cracks and tread depth small checks, which will keep you safe on long drives. Fresh, well-balanced tires don't just make the ride smoother. They boost fuel efficiency and keep the whole car running in harmony for the long haul. But what happens if the car carries too much weight? That brings us to the next important habit. Number 10. Light load. You might not think about it, but overloading a car can silently damage it over time. Extra weight puts strain on tires, suspension, brakes, and even the engine. It can cause uneven tire wear, reduce braking efficiency, and increase fuel consumption. Think of your car like a backpack you wouldn't carry twice its weight every day without consequences. Keeping cargo within the manufacturer's recommended limits and distributing weight evenly helps the vehicle handle better and protects key components from premature wear. Small changes like this make a huge difference in longevity. Speaking of protecting parts, how about the engine's air supply? That's where air filter care comes in. Number 9. Taking care of the air filters. Think of the engine as the lungs of your car. Clean air is essential for it to perform well. A clogged air filter reduces airflow, lowers fuel efficiency, and can even cause engine damage over time. Checking and replacing the air filter regularly is one of the easiest ways to keep the engine healthy. Most filters are inexpensive and simple to change, but the impact on performance is huge. Clean air means the engine burns fuel efficiently, stays cooler, and avoids unnecessary strain. And once you're done with air filters, the next important step is keeping belts and hoses in order. Number 8. Belt check. Belts and hoses might seem small, but they're critical for your car's health. Worn belts can snap, and old hoses can leak, leading to overheating, power steering failure, or engine damage. Checking belts for cracks, fraying, or slack, and inspecting hoses for leaks or brittleness can prevent these costly issues. Replacing them on schedule ensures all connected systems like the water pump, alternator, and AC function properly. Think of it as giving your car a little TLC. It's simple, inexpensive, and can save big repairs later. Regular attention to these components keeps the engine running smoothly and avoids unexpected breakdowns. With belts and hoses in order, the next step is ensuring the braking system is fully reliable. Quick reminder, if you're into keeping your car running smoother for longer, hit subscribe and stick around. We've got plenty more tricks coming your way. Number 7. Brake care. Let's talk about brakes for a second, because seriously, they're way more important than most people think. Checking your brake pads, rotors, and fluid might feel like a chore, but it can save you from some serious headaches. Worn pads make stopping less predictable, and old fluid can make the brakes feel soft or spongy. Even a quick peek at calipers and brake lines for leaks can prevent bigger problems later. Keeping brakes in good shape isn't just about safety. It makes your car feel smoother and more reliable every time you drive. Trust me, a little attention here goes a long way. Ever wondered what else suffers if brakes aren't maintained? That's where suspension comes in. Number 6. Suspension care. Ever notice your car bouncing more than usual over bumps? That's your suspension asking for some attention. Worn shocks or struts can lead to uneven tire wear, poor handling, and a rougher ride. Checking suspension components regularly, including bushings and mounts, ensures smooth handling and keeps tires and steering in top shape. Even simple inspections can prevent expensive repairs later on. A healthy suspension not only makes driving more comfortable, but also protects brakes, tires, and other connected systems. Spending a little time here goes a long way in keeping your car safe, smooth, and reliable. And while your suspension might keep the ride smooth, the real test happens under the hood. Number 5. Coolant care. Let's be honest, most people don't think about engine coolant until something goes wrong. But keeping your coolant levels right is one of the easiest ways to avoid overheating, leaks, and costly engine repairs. Low or old coolant can make the engine run hotter than it should, stress hoses and radiators, and even cause serious internal damage. Checking coolant levels regularly, topping up when needed, and flushing the system according to the schedule keeps the engine at the right temperature. It also prevents corrosion inside the radiator and ensures all connected systems function smoothly. A little attention here goes a long way in keeping the car reliable and safe. And now that your engine's staying cool, let's talk about how your car actually moves on the road. Number 4. Tire alignment. You know that annoying feeling when your car seems to drift to one side for no reason? That's usually a tire alignment issue. Misaligned tires can wear unevenly, reduce fuel efficiency, and even make steering feel unstable. Getting your alignment checked regularly ensures your tires wear evenly, improves handling, and keeps the suspension and steering system from taking extra strain. Even small adjustments at a service shop can make a huge difference in performance and comfort. Proper alignment doesn't just save your tires, it makes driving safer, smoother, and more enjoyable every day. A little maintenance here goes a long way toward extending the life of your car. Alignment keeps the car steady on the outside, but inside, the oil decides how long your engine will live. Number 3. Oil quality. You know how people always say oil is the lifeblood of your car? Well, it's true. Using the right engine oil and changing it on time keeps everything running smoothly. Dirty or low-quality oil can lead to engine wear, overheating, and even costly repairs. Regular oil checks and timely changes make a huge difference in performance, fuel efficiency, and overall engine health. Think of it as giving your engine a little spa treatment. It keeps all the moving parts happy and prevents long-term damage. Trust me, a good oil routine is one of the easiest ways to extend your car's life. Oil keeps it running. But the battery? That's what gets it started. Number 2. Battery and electrical health. We've handled the gears and the grind, but now it's time to talk about what keeps it all alive. Your battery isn't just there to start the engine. It's the heartbeat of every single system in your car. From headlights to sensors to power windows, everything depends on a steady voltage flow. Over time, corrosion builds up, cables loosen, and alternators weaken, quietly draining reliability. Cleaning terminals, checking output with a simple meter, and replacing an aging battery before it dies can save you from those won't-start mornings. A healthy electrical system keeps your car responsive, confident, and ready every single time you turn the key. So your battery's strong, your system's solid, now let's unlock the final habit: preventive diagnostics. Number 1. Preventive diagnostics. You know what separates good drivers from great ones? The great ones don't wait for warning lights. They listen to their cars. Every odd vibration, every unusual sound, even a small dip in performance. It's all a message. Regular diagnostic checks can catch issues before they turn expensive. Whether it's plugging in an OBD scanner or visiting a trusted mechanic once in a while, these small steps keep your car one step ahead of trouble. A $50 scan today could save you thousands tomorrow. That's why they say, treat your car right. It'll treat you longer. So, which one of these habits did you find the most important? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And for even more interesting car care tips, click here for our next video. Thanks for watching.